Virtual networking is a fundamental aspect of cloud computing, enabling resources to communicate securely and efficiently. In Microsoft Azure, virtual networks, VNets, provide an isolated and secure environment for deploying and managing resources. Understanding how to create and configure virtual network peering is crucial for ensuring seamless connectivity between different VNets, optimizing performance, and maintaining security. Virtual network peering in Azure allows you to connect two VNets seamlessly. This connection enables resources in different VNets to communicate with each other as if they were within the same network. Peering is non-transitive, meaning if VNet A is peered with VNet B and VNet B is peered with VNet C, VNet A cannot communicate with VNet C unless explicitly peered. Virtual network peering offers several benefits, including low latency and high bandwidth connectivity between VNets. It eliminates the need for gateways, reducing costs, and simplifying network architecture. Peering also supports resource sharing, such as databases and storage, across VNets, enhancing flexibility and scalability. Additionally, it maintains the isolation and security of each VNet, ensuring that traffic remains private and secure. Virtual network peering is useful in various scenarios, such as connecting VNets in different regions for disaster recovery, enabling communication between development and production environments, and integrating VNets belonging to different departments within an organization. It also facilitates hybrid cloud scenarios, where on-premises networks are connected to Azure VNets, providing a seamless extension of the on-premises infrastructure. To create a virtual network in Azure, navigate to the Azure portal, select Create a Resource, and choose Virtual Network. Define the name, address space, and subnets for the VNet. Configure DNS settings and security options as needed. Once the VNet is created, you can deploy resources such as virtual machines, databases, and applications within the network, ensuring they can communicate securely and efficiently. To configure virtual network peering, navigate to the VNet you want to peer, select Peerings, and click Add. Specify the name of the peering, the remote VNet, and configure the peering settings, such as allowing traffic to flow between the VNets and configuring gateway transit if needed. Once the peering is established, resources in both VNets can communicate with each other, leveraging the benefits of peering. Virtual network peering can be configured across different Azure subscriptions. This is useful for organizations with multiple subscriptions for different departments or projects. To peer VNets across subscriptions, ensure that both subscriptions have the necessary permissions. Follow the same steps as peering within a single subscription, specifying the remote VNet and subscription details during the configuration process. While virtual network peering provides seamless connectivity, it is essential to consider security implications. Ensure that network security groups, NSGs, and other security policies are configured correctly to control traffic flow between peered VNets. Regularly monitor network traffic and access logs to detect any unauthorized access or anomalies. Implementing role-based access control, RBAC, can also help manage permissions and enhance security. Monitoring and troubleshooting are critical aspects of managing virtual network peering. Use Azure Monitor and Network Watcher to track the performance and health of peered connections. These tools provide insights into network latency, bandwidth usage, and potential issues. If connectivity problems arise, check the peering configuration, NSG rules, and ensure that both VNets are in a healthy state. Azure support can also assist in resolving complex issues. While virtual network peering eliminates the need for gateways, it is essential to manage costs effectively. Peering incurs data transfer charges based on the amount of traffic flowing between peered VNets. Use Azure Cost Management and Billing to monitor and analyze these charges. Implementing cost-saving strategies, such as optimizing data transfer and using reserved instances, can help manage expenses while leveraging the benefits of peering. Advanced configurations in virtual network peering include setting up peering with gateway transit, which allows one VNet to use the VPN gateway of another VNet. This is useful for scenarios where a centralized gateway is needed for multiple VNets. Additionally, configuring peering with service chaining enables traffic to flow through network virtual appliances, providing enhanced security and traffic management capabilities. To maximize the benefits of virtual network peering, Follow best practices such as planning the IP address space to avoid overlaps, using tags for resource management, and regularly reviewing peering configurations. Ensure that security policies are consistently applied across peered VNets and leverage Azure Policy to enforce compliance. Regularly update documentation and train staff on peering configurations and management. Consider a global enterprise with multiple VNets across different regions. By implementing virtual network peering, the company can ensure seamless communication between its regional offices, data centers, and cloud resources. This setup enhances collaboration, improves disaster recovery capabilities, and optimizes resource utilization. The enterprise can also implement centralized security policies and monitoring, ensuring a secure and efficient network infrastructure. The future of virtual networking in Azure includes advancements in automation, AI-driven network management, and enhanced security features. Emerging technologies such as 5G and edge computing will further drive the need for efficient and scalable virtual networking solutions. Staying updated with these trends and continuously improving network configurations will be crucial for organizations to maintain a competitive edge in the evolving digital landscape. Creating and configuring virtual network peering is a vital skill for Azure administrators. It enables seamless connectivity, enhances security, and optimizes resource utilization. By understanding the concepts, benefits, and best practices, administrators can effectively manage virtual networks and support their organization's cloud strategy. The next steps include hands-on practice, exploring advanced configurations, and staying updated with Azure's evolving networking features.